Examine the following statements. A 3 only. B 2 and 3 only. C 1 and 3 only. D 2 only. The correct answer is 1 and 3 only. Which control action is also called rate control? A. Proportional. B. Derivative. C. Integral. D. Proportional plus integral. The correct answer is derivative. The gain margin for a stable system. A has a positive decibel value. B has a negative decibel value. C has a large negative decibel value. D. None of the above. The correct answer is has a positive decibel value. The signal flow graph of a system is shown in the given figure. The effect of disturbance Td can be reduced by A. Increasing G2s. B. Decreasing G2s. C. Increasing G1s. D. Decreasing G1s. The correct answer is increasing G1s. For overdamped systems, a quadratic factor in transfer function can be replaced by two first-order factors with real poles. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Accurate amplitude measurements can be made more easily than accurate phase shift measurements. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. A synchrotransmitter receiver unit is A. 2-phase AC device. B. 3-phase AC device. C. DC device. D. 1-phase AC device. The correct answer is 1-phase AC device. The transfer function of transportation lag is A. GJEJT. B. GJEJT. C. GJ1JT. D. GJ1JT. The correct answer is GJEJT. In the given figure, the input frequency f0.112 PRC. A. 0 dB. B. 3 dB. C. 3 dB. D. 20 dB. The correct answer is 0 dB. A lead compensator is basically A. High-pass filter. B. Low-pass filter. C. Band-stop filter. D. None of the above. The correct answer is high-pass filter. In board diagram log magnitude plot of the factor 11jt in the transfer function, the log magnitude for 1t can be approximated by A. 0 dB. B. 20 log t dB. C. 20 log t dB. D. None of the above. The correct answer is 0 dB. The phase angle of is constant and equal to 90 for all values of A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. For underdamped second-order systems, the rise time is the time required for the response to rise from A. 0 to 100 of its final value. B. 10 to 90 of its final value. C. 5 to 95 of its final value. D. Either A or B. The correct answer is 0 to 100 of its final value. The open-loop frequency response of a unity feedback system is as under. The gain margin and phase margin respectively are A. 20 dB and 15. B. 20 dB and 25. C. 6 dB and 15. D. 6 dB and 25. The correct answer is 6 dB and 15. The transfer function can be for A. Lead compensator. B. Lag compensator. C. Either A or B. D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is lead compensator. In response to a unit step input, the controller output in given figure is for A. Proportional controller. B. Proportional plus integral controller. C. Integral controller. D. None of the above. The correct answer is proportional plus integral controller. An electromechanical device which actuates a train of step angular movements in response to a train of input pulses on one-to-one basis is A. Synchro control transformer, B. LVDT, C. Stepper motor, D. Tacho generator. The correct answer is stepper motor. If then FT, A. cos 0t, B. sin 0t, C. E at cos 0t, D. E at cos 0t. The correct answer is E at cos 0t. When time constant t in any factor is varied, the shapes of log magnitude and phase angle curves remain the same. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. Which of the following is not correct for two-phase servomotor? A. Rotor diameter is small. B. Applied voltages are seldom balanced. C. Rotor resistance is low. D. Torque speed curve is linear. The correct answer is rotor resistance is low. Given figure shows the magnitude plot for a system. The steady state error for unit step input is A. 101, B. 100, C. 141, D. 140. The correct answer is 141. DC servomotors are generally A. Permanent magnet DC motors, B. Shunt field motors, C. Separately excited DC motors, D. None of the above. The correct answer is permanent magnet DC motors. As the bandwidth increases, the cost of components A. generally decreases, B. generally increases, C. may increase or decrease, D. does not change. The correct answer is generally increases. If Nyquist plot has an encirclement of one Joule point, the system is stable if A. there are no poles of GSHS in right half plane, B. there is one pole of GSHS in right half plane, C. there is no zeros of GSHS in right half plane, D. none of the above. The correct answer is there are no poles of GSHS in right half plane. A conditionally stable system has A. one-phase crossover frequency, B. two-phase crossover frequencies, C. two or more phase crossover frequencies, D. one or more phase crossover frequencies. The correct answer is two or more phase crossover frequencies. For very low frequencies, log magnitude for the given figure is A. 0 dB, B. 3 dB, C. 3 dB, D. 10 dB. The correct answer is 3 dB. In a pneumatic bellows, the input surface, output surface and side walls are corrugated. B. the input surface and output surface are flat but the side walls are corrugated. C. the input surface and side walls are flat but the output surface is corrugated. D. the input surface and output surface are corrugated but the side walls are flat. The correct answer is the input surface and output surface are flat but the side walls are corrugated. The polar plot of is the negative imaginary axis. A. true, B. false, C. D. The correct answer is true. The number of branches of root locus plot is equal to A. the number of roots of characteristic equation, B. double the number of roots of characteristic equation, C. the number of roots of characteristic equation minus 1, D. the number of roots of characteristic equation plus 1. The correct answer is the number of roots of characteristic equation. The action of bellows is similar to that of A. mass, B. viscous friction, C. spring, D. none of the above. The correct answer is spring. The given figure shows three Nyquist plots of GSHS cent SS1 for different values of t. The curves 1, 2, 3 can be A 40 0.5 and 1 respectively. B 41 0.5 and 0 respectively. C 40 0.51 and 0 respectively. D 40 0.1 and 0.5 respectively. The correct answer is 40 0.5 and 1 respectively. Consider the following statements. The gain margin and phase margin of an unstable system may respectively be A1 4 are correct. B1 and 2 correct. C1 2 3 are correct. D2 3 4 are correct. The correct answer is 2 3 4 are correct. A first-order element yields almost exact duplication only for constant or slowly varying phenomenon. A true. B false. C. D. The correct answer is true. For a stable system, A both phase and gain margin are negative. B both phase and gain margin are positive. C phase margin is positive but gain margin is negative. D gain margin is positive but phase margin is negative. The correct answer is both phase and gain margin are positive. If the angle of departure of root locus at S1J is A0, B 90, C 90, D 180, the correct answer is 180. The system in the given figure A will be unstable due to the presence of positive feedback in the inner loop. B may be stabilized by the negative feedback outer loop. C can never be stable. D will always be stable. The correct answer is may be stabilized by the negative feedback outer loop. The units of thermal capacitance are A K col C, B C K col, C C sec K col, D none of the above. The correct answer is K col C. Nichols' chart consists of M and N loci in log magnitude versus phase diagram. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. If initial and final values of IT are A0 and 1, B0 and 10, C10 and 0, D70 and 80. The correct answer is 10 and 0. The gain margin of first and second order systems is infinite. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. One advantage of using polar plot is that it depicts the frequency response characteristics over the entire frequency. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. The force required to initiate motion between two contacting surfaces is called A Coulomb friction, B viscous friction, C static friction, D none of the above. The correct answer is static friction. The slope of log magnitude curve near the cutoff frequency is called cutoff rate. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true.